Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Facebook page URL. For that you need to go to facebook.com. After you're inside your facebook.com, make sure you switch into your Facebook page account. For that, click on your Facebook page profile at the top right and click on see all profiles. From over here, choose your Facebook page profile. After you do that, it'll take you to your Facebook page. Once you're inside your Facebook page, what you need to do is click on your Facebook page profile picture at the top right and click on where it says settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, click on where it says settings. Now once you're inside settings, the first option is going to be username. So changing your username is basically going to allow you to change your Facebook page URL. So click on edit right beside your username on Facebook and enter a new username, and you need to check if the username is available. So if I write this, then it's going to show me this, which means I cannot use this URL because some other Facebook page already has it. So I'm going to enter random digit and it says username available, which means if I set this as my Facebook page username, this is going to be my new changed URL. Now I can click on save change and it's going to ask me the password of my Facebook account. After I enter the password of my Facebook account and click on submit, basically my Facebook page URL will be changed. That is how you guys can change your Facebook page URL. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.